I'm going to show you how to do the stitch pattern for the Cozy Corners baby blanket. As you can see, I just have a small swatch of just the textured stitch pattern. For my swatch, I'm going to start with a knit 1, but then we'll get into the pattern repeat. The pattern repeat starts with a yarn over in reverse. What that means is that rather than taking your yarn between the needles to the front, what you're going to do is take the yarn over the top of the needle. Then you're going to take the yarn to the back in order to knit 2. Next, you use the tip of your left needle to pick that yarn over up and pass it over those 2 knit stitches and off the right needle. So let's do it again. Yarn over in reverse, take the yarn to the back, knit 2, pick the yarn over up, pass it over the 2 knit stitches and off the needle. Yarn over in reverse, knit 2, pick the yarn over up, pull it off the needle. And you just continue doing these steps. Do it one more time. Yarn over in reverse, bring the yarn to the back to knit 2, pick that yarn over up, pass it over the 2 knit stitches and off the right needle.